Hello, and welcome to Cognitopia's help video for learning how to remove subcategories in your MyLife portfolio. When you first enter into your MyLife portfolio, there are some standard presets that are built in. My name is Eric Smith, and it shows my information here in the center of it. You can customize the background, you can change the names and icons of each one of these items. However, when you first arrive, there are two on these spokes of your MyLife portfolio wheel that have subcategories. Now, when you're customizing the names and changing, you might not want those subcategories. Here's what it looks like. If I click on goals, you will see that there are these subcategories under here below the name of goals. Post-school goals, annual goals, and there's others. You can edit those names if you choose to. The general one is not changeable. That stays the same right under goals. But if you click on one of the others and you wanted to edit it, you could edit it. However, if you don't want to edit that, you just want to remove these subcategories, you simply click on this down arrow here to the bottom right corner and then choose Archive. You will confirm that you are removing it. Say yes. And it says category removed and post archive. Okay, now you go back in, you've got one less of those. You can do it for each one of these subcategories. Choose archive again, confirm. And it removes the second one. I will do it one more time to show you what, we'll do it two more times actually. Here we take this one out, and I go back one more to these post-school goals, which is the only other subcategory, and archive it. Now when I remove this one, since general is the only archive thing, anything that was left in your general feeds that you put under that arm of your MyLife portfolio will now still be present, but the subcategories are no longer shown, because general is the empty state, the standard state under that specific arm of your MyLife portfolio. And that's how you remove subcategories from your Cognitopia portfolio. If you have any other questions, please reach out to us at contact@cognitopia.com. And we are happy to help you out, as well as we might make a video like this to answer your questions.